Okay, let's use another feature of the Edit menu. Basically, we are going to organize our presentation by sections. Sections are very useful for grouping your slides thematically, so I organized this presentation into two meaningful sections, and we give the view. Let's see what happens. This presentation has been organized into thematic sections. You see that each section can be compacted. Each section has been given a title and slides have been organized within it. This feature is very useful for organizing your presentation into a series of thematic sections that I can then also manage, for example, move around within the presentation to better organize the flow of my storyline.